Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a YouTube video because tomorrow is my birthday and I'm not going to be filming tomorrow, which is a normal day, a usual day that I film, so today is going to be the day I film. Today is just going to be a vlog of my day. Today I'm doing, so haircuts are just opening up and they're coming, and my person who does my haircuts is coming today, and also I'm doing in my class Zoom, I'm going to have my birthday, so I'm excited for that. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be making some slime. So I have my Elmer's glue. I'm not going to be using this whole jug, but I just have 3 jugs of glue, and I'm just going to put a little bit in. I have my activator, which is just warm water mixed with borax, so it's good. We have that. We have our bowl and our mixing tool, and we have our colorings, our food colorings. So first I'm just going to add in my glue. You can add in as much glue as you want. It's just how much glue you put in is how much slime you're going to get at the end. So I'm just going to add, like, I think that's a good amount from me. So, yeah, it's good. Cap back on here. And then we're going to put in our coloring. I'm going to decide, I think, I kind of want to do I think I'm going to do this. I guess I'm going to do this purple. I think I'm going to do purple. Yeah, so I'm just going to add in 2 or 3 drops of purple. I think I'm just going to do 2. So I put in my few drops of my purple coloring. Now I'm going to mix it. Whoa. Looks really cool. Oh, it's turning to like lavender. Add in like 1 more drop because it's only like that. It's almost like a lavender lilac color. So I'm going to just add in 1 more drop. There. Okay, so now this is like a lavender cute little color. Here, I'll do it from over top one so you could see. Here's the color of the slime. It's showing up more gray on camera, but it's like a cute little like lilac lavender color. Super cute. So after that, we have our base, and now we're just going to add in like a little bit at a time. I have my spoon here, so I'm just going to do it. A little bit at a time, some activator. Put like a few drops in, and we're going to mix. Oh, it's scooping up. It's turning into slime, guys. You see? We still need way more activator, but it's turning into slime. There we go, a little bit more activator. Ooh, it's sticking to my spoon. It's coming off the bowl, guys. Just a little bit, but it is. So we're just going to add a little bit more, and then we can go into our hands. Remember, guys, so it needs to be all the way off the bowl until you can go into your hands. Ooh, it's getting off really well. The bowl. guys see that? That was so cool. Okay. So it's mostly off of the bowl. I think I'm just gonna go in my hands for just one of my hands, just in case I'm going to need to put in more activator, which I'm definitely going to because it's really sticky. But yeah, let's add a little bit more activator. There we go. Let's take that spoon out. Okay, I'm going in with both my hands and I'm just going to mix it. I definitely don't need any more activator. It's turning out really well. I just need to see how stretchy that is. It's turning out really well. This one is going to be really good. Look at that. Just gotta keep mixing. Get all of that stuff off of the bowl. Mix that in too. Oh guys, look at it. Yeah, let's look here. You hear how clicky that is? It's such a pretty color. Okay, I'm going to get a charm for this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I found this charm. It's a little mint leaf and I think it would look really cute within this. So I'm just going to make a slime swirl. Put this little mint leaf. And now let's flip the camera. Okay, so here's the slime swirl. You see, here's our little charm. Let's take that out. Super good. That is so nice. Okay, so here's our slime overall. It is so cute. It is so cute. Oh my god, I'm literally dying for this slime. It's showing up way more gray on camera, but it's actually really light, lilac, lavender, purple. It's really cute. I love this slime so much. So cute. I definitely give this slime a thumbs up. And now, that's it for the video. Let's go on to the outro. If you like this video and you like the slime, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below something, whatever you want. So yeah, it's so cute. And so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and see you all next time. Goodbye.